Alright, today I finally have a couple more personal builds. These will be the first ones I made for myself since the Brass Mark III. Way back when. Pre-milling machine anyway. Doesn't have the struts. First up, I knocked out a War Doctor with the updated red auto paint. And under Mitchell's advice, I frosted the LED ever so slightly with some fine grit sandpaper. So it just kind of picks up a glow a lot better than leaving it clear. Let me show you on the prototype here. It's just a lot more visible light. So thanks, Mitchell, that was good advice. But never mind that. I completed a 12th Doctor for myself. On the prototype, I got tired of the floppy cap with the red button, so this one's solid, like the 12th style. It's got the shorter waist section, leather piece. This is actually one that Stokes sent to me. I decided to use it in my personal one. It's a lot tighter this time. So it takes a lot more force to flick it open. The inside is still pen blank, just a different one. So it's kind of missing the white stripe. It looks a little more like the rubber toe material. But never mind that. Back in, December, January, somebody sent me some pics or posted a link to Nick Rabato's latest build, which was a custom sonic screwdriver that I don't know if he did for himself or just for fun, but it was amazing. It was it had like laser etched Gallifreyan on it, black handle, and blue column, and I just decided that I had to make one. So Jerry Ringling, CreativeEtching, laser etched these onto the parts for me. And then I pieced it together. It's actually got the longer waist section, like the prototype. But it's got a black cast handle, also by Kursasawa. The bottom has a little symbol here, if you can see it. It's also done by Jerry. And then the column's blue pen blank. But like the prototype, it has the white swirl. And because it's all aluminum, this is really light, but the mechanism works a lot better than I expected. Like that was barely a flick, but it still won't pop open. But give it a little toss. It'll open halfway. Oop. There's full open. So no, I did not design this. This is like mocked up after Nick Rabato's build. You can see his build on the RPF. It's where I saw it. This is just my interpretation of his build. But I thought it was an awesome screwdriver nonetheless.